Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today we are back at Costco and I wanted to share some of the stuff that was on sale, some things that I found here at Costco. So some of the stuff that was on sale was this Tefal pan. They were for $26.99. Let's say $27 for those pen. They were $10 off. And they also have this hair fryer here at Costco for $49. That was about $20 off of that air fryer. I don't think an air fryer for $49 was not bad at all. They also have, if you have little children that are into Pokemon cards and things like that, Costco currently have their cards for only $21.99, and scooters was also on sale. Now that spring is coming up, summer is coming up, I think a lot of the kids like to ride their scooter outside. If you have kids, check Costco out for some of those stuff. So I also found these storage containers. I think 5 of them were $20, so you will be saving $10 off of that. I also found this very cute, nice. They're very expensive though. For $199, just say $200 for a plant bed for $200. Now that spring is coming, I like to plant during spring. I don't know if I will be buying that plant bed because for $200 that is a lot of money for a plant bed, but that was already out for the spring. They also have this really nice chairs for outside at Costco as well. The fire pits, now the spring is coming, they started bringing out their plants. If you're planning to plant to plant during spring and summer, Costco has some of the stuff out. Some of these ones were not really bad when it comes to prices, $9.99 and $11.99. I don't think that they were bad, but for me this year I will be planting season flowers and things like that. I also found this treadmill at Costco right now. I know a lot of us might be wanting to start to work on our summer body and you need some of this exercise equipment. Costco has them a lot right now. So if you're looking into buying new exercise equipment, and check Costco out. So guys, yes, this is some of the stuff that I end up finding at Costco. I hope you guys are liking it. If today is your first day in clicking on my video and you have watched this far, thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for watching. And let me just introduce myself now. I'm Ivy. I make videos on shopping, cooking, things like that. If you're interested, push the subscribe button down below and also push the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a video. I tend to upload videos every day. I will be back very soon, guys. I'm just working on something right now, so I'll be back very soon to be uploading on a regular basis. So this is what we do over here. If you're interested, push the subscribe button and the notification bell. And to all my old and new subscribers, thank you for coming back all the time. Thank you for sharing my content. Leave a comment. I really appreciate whenever I see those comments. So I also found this Calvin Klein top at Costco. Guys, if you're looking into buying some name brand stuff, I'll feel like check Costco out. Sometimes Costco does have really nice name brand for the fraction of the price. You get really good pricing when it comes to name brand stuff here at Costco. So guys, I hope you guys love this video. Watch this video to an end and I'll be so grateful for all your likes, because YouTube usually boosts the video if they have more engagement on it. So I hope you guys love this video and subscribe, like, share this video with your friends and family. Also check IKEA, I mean not IKEA, oh my goodness, Ivy. Costco out and see some of the stuff that they have available. So this jacket right here, this was Tommy Hilfiger jacket for $59, guys. Yeah, these jackets were $59. They're like spring jacket. I don't think they are bad. I think they're really nice, for especially for that price. $59 for Tommy Hilfiger jacket. I don't think they are bad at all. So yes, guys, these are some of the stuff that I found here at Costco. So I'm going to let you guys watch this video to an end, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Maybe forget about the consequences. Wherever we're going fast. On top of the world of our independence. Laughing whenever we screw it up. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me dancing